Hello friends, welcome to GBlogy. I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will discuss about our app, okay, and if you have not yet seen my previous video of downloading the app, then go to the description and click on the link. In this video we will discuss further about the working of our app, and I'll be discussing some tips and tricks for gaining more tokens in this app. Okay, so we will open our app. In this video I will tell about the working of this app. As you can see that this is search bar, and here I can search for any person, and this is my message bar. The people sending you message is here. For uploading the video, just click on this button, select any picture. So my first tip is, just when you are uploading your pictures, then write a message with your picture. Okay, it will increase your watch time, and your mining power will increase. For example, if I wanna upload a picture this, then I will write a long message. For example, I will write, in other words, it will increase your mining power. The more you gain watch time, the more your mining power will increase. Okay, so this is my first tip, and my second tip is, go to the search bar. Okay, and here you can see these are different pupils. Okay, and I will tell you whom you should follow. Okay, so if I click on this profile, then here you can see that this person has 1k followers and 1.1k friends. Okay, it means that this person is following 1.1k persons, and 1k persons are following this person. Okay, so as the following option is high in this case and followers are less, that's why I will just follow this person. Okay, and I will like all his posts. Okay, so I'm sure that you have got my point. So let's talk about this person, and if I see here, then this person has 181 followers, but her following option is only 22. It means that if I follow this person, then 80 to 90% is chance that it will not follow back. So I will not follow this person. Okay, and I will next shift to other person. Okay, so if I talk about this person, then this is the same case. Now here, this person has 565 friends and 414 followers. Again, we can follow this person because we have a high percentage of follow back from this person. Okay, so we will just follow this person. Sorry, so we will just follow this person. Okay, and like all his posts. So by watch time I mean that here you can see at above that if I just instantly click on next and like her post, then he will get a low mining power. Okay, if this person has written a message, then I would spend more time in reading that message. Okay, and it will increase her watch time and his mining power. Okay, so I'm sure that you are getting my point. So at start, when I was uploading my picture, I have said to you that you should write a message. Okay, that will increase your mining power and you will get more tokens. Okay, so I will like all her posts, and I'm sure that this person will follow back. Okay, so same is the case for other persons. You just have to compare between following and followers option, and if the following is more than followers, then you just have to follow that person. This will increase your likes and also your followers. Okay, so this is the second part of our video. So pupils are mining 30 mithrill a day, and some are mining 40 mithrill a day. Okay, and you have no idea what this app will give you in future. Okay, so for now the price of mithrill is $0.3, but it will increase to $2 until December, I think. Okay, so this was our video, and I will make third part of this video, which is about the withdrawal of these tokens. Okay, so keep watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so take care. Goodbye.